Good morning, students. Today we are going to complete exercise of lesson 1. Lesson 1 name is about word. In previous video we have learnt about word. Today we are going to solve exercise. Today we are going to solve exercise C. You have two columns of pictures. Combine their names to make new word. I have taught you which is compound word. When two separate words come together or join to each other make a new one word, it is called compound word. So look in the first picture. What is this? What is this? This is butter. And what is this? This is milk. Now guess what will be the new word. Join two words butter plus milk. The new word is, now guess, butter milk. What is the new word? The new word is butter milk. Butter milk. In the second picture, first one is cup, second one is board. So new word is cup board. Next, now guess this one. Foot plus ball. So new word is football. FOOT football. BALL. Now come to next point. First thing is honey plus bee. The new word is honey bee. Honey bee. BEE. Honey bee. Next point. Number 5. First thing is house plus boat. New word is house boat. HOUSE. 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 Boat. Now next one. Guess lamp plus house. No, this is wrong. The right word is light. Light plus house. Yes. The right word is lighthouse. 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 7-1. Peacock. Peacock. C-O-C-K. Peacock. Clear? Now last one. Guess what will be? In the first picture, what are you seeing? Rain. Second one, bow. The right word is rainbow. R-A-I-N bow. B-O-W. Rainbow. Now clear? All exercise has been done. Now come to next exercise. Oh, sorry. 9-1 is there. Sorry. 9 is star fish. This is the last. Sun plus flower. Sun, flower. Sun. Sunflower. Now come to next exercise. Matching compound words. Draw line to match each of the words on the left with a word on the right. First one is basket. Match basket to the right word. Basket. Basket ball. Ground. Ground. Nut. Moon. Light. Sun. Sign. Butter. Gas. Fly. Wrist. Watch. Tea. Spoon. Tooth. Brush. Door. Mat. Window. Pen. So, do this exercise in your copy. Now come to next exercise. Word chain. Read the series of words below. The last two letters of the first word are the first two of the next. In first word, orange. In the first word, guess the spelling of new one. The spelling of orange is O-R-A-N-G-E. From the last two words, or with the help of last two words, make a new one word. With the help of this word or last two letters, make a new word. With the help of last two letters, make a new word. In first, orange. With the help of last two letters, new word will come in existence. Genius. With the help of last two letters, the new word come in existence. Use. With the help of last two letters, new word come in existence. Cell. Same to the next exercise. Now make your own word chain starting with the word grammar. G-R-A-M-M-A-R. With the help of this word, make a new word. Now G-R-A-M-M-A-R, grammar. With the help of last two letters, make a new word. A-R. Arrow. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. Now do next. With the help of this word, make a new word. Take last two letters. O-W. O-W. N-E-R. Owner. With the help of last two letters, make new word. Error. E-R-R-O-R. Error. Now it's clear. Come to next exercise. Joy drill. See the following pictures, then form sentences using given words. See the following picture and notice the words cowboy, horse, the rides. With the help of these words, make a full sentence. The cowboy writes the horse. The cowboy rides the horse. See the second one picture. Hen nests the eggs in lays the. Now make a new sentence with the help of these words. The hen lays eggs in the nest. Clear? The hen lays eggs in the nest. Now your lesson is completed. Exercise D, matching, is your homework. Do this exercise in your notebook.